Beku-2014 sihlobo sami besihlala eMpumalanga. Ugeli wali ngimfonela kanti vele ugeli vele uhleli nalabo bhuti abaphethe imali. Mangiloko ngikhuluma nogeli ngifone abobhuti like shoot bayezwa ukuthi mangintshela ukuthi Chomi like ngifuna ukuthi ungifunele i-O lapho nani nani. Ubhuti athi hayi ngingawari ngikhona mina. Ugaya athi kimi yazini ne ngifuna ukuthi uze ngapha e-Youth Bank uzongivakashela. Mangifika vele like ugaya nemoto ahamba ngazo. Ugaya drivela sikhuphuke vele itepisi siphezulu. Masifika vele phezulu hayi ngiyalala vele obvious lalwe. Ugaya zithi ngabo ma 12 athi yazini khona la ngisakhona ngiyabuya. Sithi 1 2 ngo 3 hayi man la endlini ngiva ama footstep like yabo like ama footstep la endlini but i-room leli bengikulo livaliwe.
Three, two, one, and action.
Sanibonani bafethu dumelang bafethu aye bafethu ndi machero nabusheni nonke bafethu ngesixhosa sithi urhulumente konje sithi ngesixhosa masibulise molweni apha emakhaya molweni namkelekile once again guys. Thank you so much for joining us. This is the time that you guys have been waiting for. We really appreciate you guys. We really appreciate the fact that you guys are anticipating and forever waiting for iSoweto podcast to come through and to hear the stories. Sikhuluma ngempoko, sikhuluma nangobuthakathi nangazo zonke lezi zinto. But remember, it's just to make it awareness and realize what is the best option of dealing with these things, Buffett, because whether we like it or not, they are there. They are there, and somehow they affect us in a very bad and negative way. So it's best when you know what we're dealing with and how to be able to overcome it and achieve positive results out of that. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As we always say, you could have listened to somebody else, you could have listened to another podcast. Manning, guys, manning. So yeah, we thank you for choosing us. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and share our stories. Let us know what you think, guys. We want to grow with you, as we always say, guys. So yeah, Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show bafethu. Sipho hate between your space. Ara bakena ba thathamula. Areng bafethu. Sister unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
What are you grand?
Yeah.
Sure. Ngitana grand.
Ngiqweni.
Ah, ngiyancanya. Sivakashele bana.
Yeah, namhlanje ngithe ake ngithathe walk ngiphuma.
Yeah, ushaye umoya.
Yes, ngishaye.
Yeah, ujike la next door.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, igama lami.
Yeah.
Yes. Ngihlala election elibizwa ngokuthi Davidton.
Davidton.
Yes, yeah. So bengizela namhlanje ukuthi ngizongixoxela indaba yami.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before singena endaweni yakho.
Sure.
Ukhuluma umntana onjani?
Yo, yazini.
Yeah.
Mina kahle ngithanda ukuhlala namagenge ne. Yeah, sahlala namagenge like saxoxa. Futhi especially futhi esikoleni.
Yeah.
Like bengikuhlala namantombazana but not kakhulu. Hlala kakhulu namagenge yazi ukuthi amagenge athanda ukwayintala
Yeah.
nami ngida. Uyabo? Nini like sadoje esikoleni nani. Ngikhaunte lapho.
Ngibona
khona lapho.
Yeah.
Exactly. So mayivele ke ngiyakuthanda ke.
Ukuringa
Over. Angifuni nje ukungasho. Angizilibambizeli. Yes. So I think ngitshela nge manje indaba yami.
Sure, let's get into it.
Yeah, beku 2014. Yes. Nginesihlobo sami besihlala eMpumalanga.
Okay.
Ubhuti wami yahlala eMpumalanga. So ubhuti washona kwaku December. So ubhuti makashona kanjalo i-girlfriend yakhe behlala e-Youth Bank. So uze nayo uthe ubhuti makashona vele obviously ugeli uhleli ematrasini nani yabo into ezikanjalo. Okay, right. Ugeli njengoba lokahleli ematrasini like isiloko esaringa nani because ugeli like same age njengami. Okay, fine. Okay, hamba vele isikhathi ugeli akhumule obviously ugeli sekazobuyela kibo because indoda yakhe lebekeze ngayo ayisekho.
Yes.
Fine. Right. Okay. Sengise Davidton ke kanjalo ngiyamfonela ugeli hayi isikoni right isikoni hayi ngisharp ntwana yami okay hayi sharp. Isikoni manje ngifuna like ngizongivakashela lapho plaza ngiyazwa ukuthi hayi Youth Bank kahle kunama short man right. Yabona? Okay fine. Akana nkinga vele ugeli. Ugeli wali ngimfonela kanti vele ugeli vele uhleli nalabo bhuti abaphethe imali. Ngalelo langa lelo. Okay fine. Mangiloko ngikhuluma nogeli ngifone abobhuti like shoot bayezwa ukuthi mangintshela ukuthi Chomi like ngifuna ukuthi ungifunele i-O lapho nani nani. Ubhuti athi hayi ngingawari ngikhona mina hayi yazi ngisikona ukhuluma kahle ke wena shuthi uyitholile okay fine akunankinga uGayi anginikeza amanamba makamnikeza amanamba ngimfonela uGayi mangimfonela vele uGayi kube ukuthi like sa exchange ama pics nani uGayi ngithandile okay fine uGayi athi kimi yazi ne ngifuna ukuthi uze ngapha eWheat Bank uzongivakashela okay ngizoza lapha eWheat Bank then ngifike kanjani lapha eWheat Bank athi uGayi yazini hike then uzothi mawufika mina ngizokumela erenkini bese ngize ngizokulanda ngithi hayi alright ngigibele vele kanjalo ngiye vele ngithole vele ukuthi uGayi sekangilindile lapha yana ngifike vele kube right mangifika vele like uGayi ya nemoto ahamba ngazo like and bengasi imoto eyi1 sho ukuthi imoto ngathi bezi 3 phakathi lapha emotweni kunabangani bakhe abanye bese yena ula kule moto laphambili uGayi adrivela umnandi okay fine mangena vele uGayi athi babe ungathanda ukuyodla kuphi ngimtshele ngithi hayi mina noma yikuphi anyway vele ngumntana estrad like ngijwayela ngizinto zokuma spare nanto la no ngithi ayazi ngifuna inyama ewosiwe yabo like athi okay ngizokusa kwenye indawo bathi kuseVelomithi okay fine sihambe masifika eVelomithi sihlale phansi yathengelwa vele utshwala inyama ikhona yonke into kuyaphuza I think saqeda ngabo ma 11 so masifika vele endlini kwakhe uGayi upstairs yabo singene endlini sekabadrobhile abangani bakhe sekuyimi nalo driver kaGayi noGayi sesiyi3 emotweni sho ukuthi driver afike aspike vele lapha phakathi endlini uGayi hambi you understand indlu kaGayi mani indlu upstairs then akunamoto akunanex just nje upstairs nje like indawo nje clean nje kuphela understand indlu nje kuphela ekantsheliwe but imoto azihlali lapha but uGayi unazo imoto okay masingena vele endlini kaGayi okay kune couch i-couch la khona ngathi lenza uL bese ne TV phela sikhuphuke vele itepisi sephezulu masifika vele phezulu hayi kuyalalwa vele obvious kulalwe uGayi zithi ngabo ma 12 because yeah kuthi ngabo ma 12 uGayi athi yazini khona la ngisakhona ngiyabuya
ma 12
ngabo ma 12 ngithi mina serious uyabuya athi ya but wena uzolala ngizobuya mina yabona ngithi hayi okay yazi angizange ngifikele ingqondo yokuthi kwenzakalani lana indli ingaka like angizange ngisabe nokusaba qhubeke vele ngilale hawo mase ngilele kanjalo hayi man zithi 12 ushayile 12 angisho uhambile uGayi zithi 1 2 ngo3 hayi man la indlini ngiva ama footstep like yabo like ama footstep la endlini but iroom leli bengikulo livaliwe but nje ngiyeva nje ama footstep and khumbula sile phezulu ngisho upstairs ngilapha eroomini lakhe ngilele ngiva ama footstep like lo muntu ushuthi uyehla ngeyitepisi uyakhuphuka uyehla ngeyitepisi kuyavuleka umnyango kuyavuleka umnyango okay hayi ngibe nento ukuthi man angivule la ngifuna ukubona lento le lokubhizi la ngaphakathi because azange ngitshele ukuthi yena uhlala nomuntu la endlini okay fine mangivula vele umnyango angazini ethi hamba kule room leli olizwile ukuthi like belishaya khona umnyango yabo ngikokote oqala kokote futhi kube u2 yo mangikokota vele kube u3 lo muntu like ngisathi ngisakokota lo muntu avela vele umnyango yo wena bona umfana asmart ngendlela engayazi ukuthi yo this guy like ngaba shocked nami ukuthi yo this guy angazi ngizothi umfana omuhle or ngizothi umfana onjani but I'm shocked man like ngichazeke nami like ngithi hello athi njani ithi ngiyaphila hayi man okay maqeda lapha thule yabona angibheke okay and like angizange ngifikele ukuthi like ngithukwe ukuthi yini le ngiyibonayo or yini or azange ngitshela uGayi ukuthi kuhlala umuntu lana nani okay fine kube right mangisabheke kanjalo this guy ngithi mina eshazini ngifuna ukuthi ngive ngigeza kancane while ngisalinde ubhuti sengabo ma 4 to 5 so khona asengifuna ukuhamba phela nami and lo mudala ngishiye lokho lapha you understand okay uGayi athi ngithi mina kuGayi ngicela ukuthi ungibilisele amanzi yabo ngifuna la ukugeza uGayi hamba wabulisa like into yakho like ibe fast ngeke nje indlela ukuthi like kwenzeka manje yabona yonke into ila ngokusheshsha okay fine uGayi makasangiplakela amanzi lapha yana abuye futhi awaletha amanzi eroomini makawaletha vele ngithola vele like ngifase ithawula obviously ngivuke empedeni ngisho ngifase vele ithawula makawabeka amanzi vele uGayi athi okay sisi akunankinga so ungafuna nani enye ngithi mina hayi angifuni next kwamina self sengichamekile la kulo mfana angisekho kubhuti wakhe lo hambile mina sengibheke bani bekai lo oloka busy manje aloku ngilethela amanzi lo ngiloko busy lo ngithu yeah okay ngive vele ngifaka vele inyawo vele mangisafaka vele inyawo kanjalo like ngizifake inyawo ibhavini so ngihleli phansi ngombheda ngisho ngifazene ithawula hayi ngiyayibona manje le look yakhe ukuthi mana manje lo mfana lo ngathi akasekho la ukuthi ubona maybe umuntu kwabhuti wakhe or ini ungibheke ngelinye ilihlo manje lo muntu lo lelihla ngibheke ngalo nami ngathi ngiyachazeka yini serious
hayibo
hayi okay fine ngigeze vele ngiqede vele mangiqeda vele ukugeza ugayi ahlike aye downstairs makahlika downstairs angazini ethelandela ngilandele nami masihleli phela kulela couch leli ngishilo ngathi couch la khona lu L sibukele vele lapha vele iTV mangisabukela vele iTV ugayi ethe makangibheka azangathi yenza ukuthi kwakuyimi ngangizenzela kugayi ngimbambe ngizenzele ugayi sisuke vele hayi kwenzeke njalo I understand senze sinogayi masiqeda nje like ukwenza sinogayi masiqeda ukwenza sinogayi mangithi ngiyabheka la ngaphandle nabo abangani bakhe sebala phakathi ejardini hawu bafike nini igate livulwe nini angazi livulwe nini igate and abangani bakhona angazi nokuthi bafike ngobani isikhathi ngisabheke lokho nangi no ugayi lo bengize kuye vele sekafikile ugayi I think wafika around ngabo 7 ekseni ugayi afike makafika athi yini right ngithi ya ngi-right athi hayi okay ngiyakubona vele ukuthi right uyangibona ukuthi ngi-right but dala ungishiyile moslami you understand athi hayi no right yazi ngicabanga ukuthi ngihambe ngikhaphe then ngizokubona kahle emini ngithi uzongibona kahle emini athi hayi ukuthi izolo like yonke into beyishesha you understand nasekuseni njengoba ngikushilo yonke into beyishesha so ngizokubona kahle emini ngithi mina hayi okay kuphunywe vele ngemoto masifika egarage ugayi athele vele ipetrol akhiphe nemali ugayi anginikeza I think nje imali khona ngathi be like boma 1.5 anginikeze vele 1.5 vele ugayi ngihambe mangifika ku girl lo vele bengize kuye njengoba ngishilo ngathi ngifinele mangiza lapho mangifika ugirl ngimxoxele ukuthi hayi chom phela kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi yabani athi yazi ngixoxele ugayi ngathi ukhe waba nomfazi umfazi wakhona washona khona lapha then the family yakabo mfazi mabamfuna umfazi ukuthi mabahamba yoncabana nani ugayi wathi nokhululekani yonke into izoba yimi ngizoyincwabela yena ngathi kwaba into enkudlanyana or angazi kwenzakalani yazi kwaba ukuthi ifamily iyalo nani obvious bafuna umntana babo ukuthi ahamba yoncwatshelwa kuphi egibo yes okay sesihambile ke manje vele isikhathi angisanaka ngokuthi okay ngahamba ngaya le youth bank nani kuthi mangesontweni esontweni kube nobaba vele like ovuka umoya makavuka umoya lo baba lona angitshela athi yazi wena walala nomuntu ongasekho ngalala nomuntu ongasekho emhlabeni athi yes walala wena nomuntu ongasekho and lo muntu njengoba angasekho so uyasetshenziswa khona lapha endlini umuntu walapha endlini ogadele leyana like ngithuke you understand so ngibe nalento ukuthi okay usizo lona ngiyalifuna but ngizolithola kanjani ngiyofike ngisho kanjani ngomunye umuntu ukuthi ngalala nomuntu ongasekho like into yalo bhuti like into yakhe ayisebenzisayo ngalala nayo mina okay ekuhambeni lesikhathi fine ngilithole ke lelo sizo but into engifuna ukutshela yona ne mina noma ngaya etshaleni or okay ngiye etshaleni anginamali ngiso but ngizothi mangifika ngithi you know what that guy ngiyamfuna and sure ngizomfuna and ngizomthola and that guy uzongikhwazela
yonke into oyifunayo
yonke into engiyifunayo ngesikhathi engifuna ngaso like yonke into engiyishoyo mangizothi yazi lento le ngiyayifuna and ngiyayithola sure
hayi man sister so ugayi uthwele kahle
ugayi uthwele unabantu abamsebenzela njengoba ngisho ngithi nalabo bhuti la bekahamba nabo I don't think nokuthi mhlambe ba abantu abaphilayo
kahle
mina ngokubona kwami because yonke into ayikhulumayo yonke into like uyalandelelwa yonke lento le yayishoyo like kuziwa ngayo
yes man
yes
mamela ke sister so lo Prince Charming lona umbone ayikho into isolayo ukuthi hayi man ubuhlobo so maybe or something like that uvele wachameka nje like
yo angifuni
instantly.
ngisho yo ugayi ngathi mangimbona like ngachazeka ile nto engiqala ukuyibona ngachazeka nje the way ngimbona angakhona the way yena bekangakhona and nangaphezulu lokho ngathi mangimbuza igama lakhe wangitshela ne igama lakhe okay fine sayenza lento esiyenzayo then ngithe mangifika endlini mangithi ngiyalichecka le gama leli ngaku Facebook akaveli ngisho kokuvela akekho.
So uyasetshenziswa nomuntu lapha endlini.
Uyasetshenziswa yes uyasetshenziswa because naye ugayi lo umsebenzisa ugayi unemali akaphelele ukuthi like ngizokhwaza manje bese kuyaphela yonke into oyifunayo uyayenza ngisho nalapha eVelimi masifika labantu abawusinyama babemlwela ukuthi like bafuna ukuthi sicela ukukwenzela uyabona like sicela ukukwenzela like nawe uma ufikile sister boss nani like nawe uma uvelile like uma uhamba naye like uzibona umkhulu ukuthi yazini lo muntu lo yeah
sile uvela ufatele nje just like
yes
Mntwana asibuyele emuva kancane. Le Grootman leli malibuya. Malithi u-right.
Yes.
Athi ngiyakubona u-right.
Yes.
What came into your mind makasho kanjani?
Yazi makangibuza kanjalo like into engibhathisa ukuthi why ungishiye sonke lesikhathi maqeda lapho uzobuya wena sowuneshock ukuthi mina ngi-right ngoba yes. But lento le angizange ngicabange ngaleso sikhathi leso nginaye. Lento le like konke sokubuya sengihleli manje ngiyi-1 noma sengihleli endlini ukuthi hayi man kwenzeka so you understand kwaba kanjalo.
Donna, don't you think, I don't know, this is us trying to ukuthi angithi ney'thwalo lezi zakhona ziyahluka to serve different purposes. Ukuthi omunye umuntu hey angithi manje no lasi masibheka kubo ma-YouTube.
Okay.
Sekutrenda lento lokuthi now this is what I've discovered lately ukuthi amanye amadoda the more they then start pursuing other men and sleep with them. Naleyo nto leyo seyina a form of isithwalo manje.
Yes.
Now currently ukuthi hayi you ngeke uthi usha. Now this is what I've discovered. I'm not too sure ntwana sesisho ukuthi asifuna ukuphila in ignorance ukuthi hayi sizothi there are this type of people. Khona bayenza because they know ukuthi mangiyenza so kuna again in the spirit abasitholayo. With that thing abenza ukuthi they'll pursue amachita. Hayi ukuthi ufila ngoba uyile simo lesi. No.
Okay.
Yena into yakhe mamitshela ukuthi you mele uyothatha amandla kwamanye amadoda. Yeah. Kusho ukuthi ubadle emandleni.
Yes.
The more abadle imfundo ubadle emandleni. Yeah, thina sothi hayi shem maybe ugay kanti no.
Akekho gay kahle kahle.
Into yakhe mayimtshela ithi when once you start to sleep with another man you then take ilona amandla lomuntu. So in my head ntwana ngiyazibuza ukuthi could it be that the guy knows ukuthi mangabe kunomuntu wesifazane azada uyazi ukuthi vele into yakhe yes. Don't you think maybe it comes to that point where ukuthi makathi ngiyakubona
right.
Hey, hence I'm asking ukuthi makathi ngiyakubona right, chances he knows nokuvaya kwakhe, he knows ukuthi hayi it needs to operate so that
and kwaloko like mina naye ukufika kwami phela sithe masifika safika salala kancane nje like kancanyana you understand njoba yena sekazothi yena ngicabanga ukuhamba njoba sekazophuma ngabo ma 12 o'clock for ukuthi like ekseni angavele athi bhuna imali and ngizokubona lokho like ngizokubona bo like ukuthi kuye imali akusinkinga imali kuye akusinkinga obvious uyazi ukuthi okay fine mase ngifunze lento yami like namandla nemali iyangena
and ngeenkathi
zakhona exactly.
Ntwana ukuphi manje
uba because bekahlala uEarthbank ne so angaka ugirl mina naye sayalahlekana ama contact usikoni wami lo because manje usikoni wami phela akasezi ekhaya because into yakhe yashona you understand so mina naye sayalahlekana nama contacts so angizange ngisambuza ukuthi where is the guy in you understand like kwaphelela khona lapho.
This is very interesting.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sisters link up nolona.
Yeah.
Usho ukuthi yena naye azange kube nesam affair nolona.
no Kai.
No Kai,
Lo
Phathimata.
angifakele yena.
Lo
Because yena vele the way bekasho ngakhona, ha ichomi like ngena. Uzophatheka kahle like ungakhathazeki. Nanoma sengifikile lapha uGuy sekangilandile lapha phela uGirl bekumele ukuthi angifonele angibuza ukuthi hayi bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi sowufikile na so how far like into ezikanjalo. Wavele wangitshela ukuthi ayazi ngikhululeka. Relax. Yes, relax. So nami ngaloku ngingasabi kwami like ngayenza vele because vele naye like ushilo wathi uyamtrust the guy. Uyamtrust uGuy, relax.
Mntwana, afterwards, now, I don't know whether suspecting or nje ubuzwile bathi kunento emspanelayo. To you, having coming to knowledge ukuthi ugidle nento so, what happened afterwards? Did izinto zakho become the same or nothing has changed? Sika mina ngisaseyilo muntu.
Yes, mina into yami ekhona ne. Singaba sonke la mhlambe but angithandwa kakhulu abantu besifazane. No, niba ne problem vele. Avela athi makangibona vela athi yazi uyangibhora the girl. Like ugela kangichazi nani. Then like vele njengoba bengishilo ukuthi like abafana like kuba ngathi like ngiklitha nabo kakhulu. Kuba kanjalo. Yes.
Now, was this after the ordeal nalempundulo or was it vele something ukuthi I know mina abocherry or has it become more maybe even worse than before?
Yeah, kube more. Kube more.
I don't know, guys. One thing I do know, Guti, as far as when one understands, Guti, if you sleep with an entity that is not alive, this is what one then gets to learn, Guti, your life never be the same. There must be some element of changes whereby it's either it affects in a very negative way. So, Ndwana, when you call the shots, isn't it?
I'm telling you.
Hang on. Did it happen before Upata or into after this thing Nadokai?
After njengoba ngikutshela.
Imali ihlelile kuwe?
No, okay, ngiyayibona kwemali ne. Okay, fine, ngiyayibona kwemali. Sengisho ukuthi mina ngithi if into ngiyibuka ngithi ngiyayifuna, ngiyayithola. Even the guy noma ngathi ngiyangena like elonjaneni. Ngimbheke ngithi yo mhlambe noma ngicocela igele ngama na yochum like the guy lo yangathi uyangichaza nje mina and vele
hang on Ntwana mawusho uzokuza uGuy or you'll pursue
no,
the guy
akangizwa suka hlelile phela hlelile nami ngihleli maybe la like ngizosho ukuthi yo that guy yo
so uzomthola kanjani Ntwana maybe there was parade
angiyi yena uGuy uzoza kimi
hayibo
I'm telling you
ubonini Ntwana
angazi angazi but lokho kuyenzeka angizanga
testing
hayibo kanjani manje
tshela mina ithi sika ngiyayifuna le outab ngisibona ukuthi izosipana
yazi kahle kahle lento yami ngase sebenzani ne guys ne angikhipha amazaza sibhekane mina nawo I'm telling you ngiyakutshela
okay Ntwana now my elonjaneni
yeah
your main aim Mawuthemba Mnandeni, what's your reason now that you have acknowledged with that Siga? Is it working for you positively or negatively, or is like I say I'm just enjoying what I'm going through? Angifuna ukuyazi deeper ukuthi shooting as long as ngithola lento engithola.
No, mina mangitshola nsuke nje ngiyijabulela. Ngijabula nje like ngile nje kuyoziphuzela ngijabulele. Then sokwenzeka seshoot phela sokuyibonus.
But uphuma wazi ukuthi Ntwana Sika ufuna 0.5 uthunenkingi uthunenkingi ufuna 0.5 Ntwana yami aziwasimtshade does that maybe at one stage whereby you need money and you know ukuthi no Sika mina nginendlela okuthola new quick cash abanye mabhayisa ama drugs abanye mabhayisa imizimba abanye benzani do you then take this as something that you can make a quick buck first?
No. Mina asengitshela angidayisi nje mangigroovin njengoba ngitshela ngathi ngisuka la ngesinye groovin maybe ngiyathenga maybe thunyana yami then ngibeke la then kuba sipho isukela ebandla
Really?
ngingazange ngikubize mina bese wena uyazizela ufika uhlale
Like
phansi
honestly
na
Ntwana like your intention was to come and drink then umangala amadoda and abantu abanenyuku
yeah
So maybe
Eza.
the reason you said ukuthi manje amantombazana abakuthandi maybe lesi uhamba nabangani banabantu babo, and then you do that thing as you said.
Yeah.
And then sibabheka wena abangani no. So kuba ngathi manje
Yeah. Kuba kanjalo.
I don't know, what are you saying, Gatlika? What's going on? Like,
Confused.
what is it that is exhuming out of it that you can say, Siga, kunalo moya lo ongenayo, nguzuthi, phuma moya, uphuma.
I mean, I think nami like ngangena umoya angazi ngizothi futhi asingibe mhlawumbe umoya ofebe ba.
Crenshaw.
Kahle serious as umoya nje injalo nje umoya ofebe nje. Yeah.
John, is there a solution to this? Maybe you've gone out and seek for some form of at least if I can know good, okay. Now I know this is what I have, and then right, I know how to get help because I know what it is. Because whilst we're still in absence of the light, then we'll still be in the tech not knowing good, okay. Siga, as long as mina ngikran mafuni 0.5 mntana ngithi, uyalithola la kimi, nami mangifuni igushi mangifuna in. Have you gone out to say, let me find exactly, is it the guy who Prince Charming ngidle naye, maybe umoya wakho uhlelela again?
Yeah, ngiyakwazi. But ke angifuna ukungasho ne, ngiyaphuma ngambe ngifuna usizo. Ngokuthi yazini ngidinga maybe like into zokugezwa or nani. Yo ngithi sengiyile kulowo muntu loyo ozothi uzongisiza naye abese bakhuluma ezinye izinto engingazazi ke manje. I'm telling you. Bazothi hamba kubaba uzibanibani uzokusiza mina wangisiza nani. Uye kubaba uzibanibani, hayi baba uzibanibani ngathi akasabhekanga naleli lihle lokuthi uzongisiza. I'm telling you.
It has gone to that level.
Yeah. Sengikhathele vele ngize ngathi I give up. Ngokuthi angihambe ngifuna usizo nani. Konke makuzenzakalele ngabe kuyenzeka.
I've heard one similar story of this lady saying the same thing. Ukuthi makayofuna usizo when she gets there and then she find olunye usizo bekangayelanga lona. And then things become worse.
Yeah.
But now into ebim affecta kakhulu ke yena is that in terms of personal life, progress-wise, it was zero. But in pursuit nakhona ufaka abangani bekaspane saloon.
Okay.
Yabona, so abuchomi bafika baphethe, they came glamorous kanti that was the way of drawing a babone ukuthi usase innocent.
Yeah.
Lured her in and then initiated into the scheme.
Yeah.
Yabona. So wathi makayosiza ayothola usizo kwatholakala ukuthi the same thing that you are saying wena ntwana ukuthi mawufika out no manazi nginenkinga inkinga mara sekunalo moya omngena kulo muntu okumele akusize ukuthi hey ayisadlalela ezandleni ayisadlalela emqondweni nasenhle seyidlala ngaphansi.
Yeah.
Uthola ukuthi now she gets even worse into the simo lesibeka kuso.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's I want this with my zidala neipoke. You want me to try to go away, so go up there, go on. Say that! It's a call it as I imagine to one to one.
Like ngenzanganjani?
Saying what's your state of progress?
Over manje. Can you say
Okay, Donna, let me put it this way.
okay.
Do you acknowledge, is this a problem to you, or it's like, no, Siga, it's not a problem. I am fine where I am. Are you ignorant? Or is like, Siga, it's a problem, ne, but ngishapi problem engadila na ngikren ngayo.
No, yena inkinga mfethu. Inkinga shem. But ngizothi noma ngiyinkinga kanjalo ngihambe njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngizohamba ngithi ngiyakubaba uzibanibani loyo. Baba uzibanibani akasayiboni na for mina like kuyinkinga. Like yena bese kafuna enye into futhi manje like and ngibona kahle ukuthi phe shoot nale nkinga yami le ivele edeke more.
Don't know what are the worst things that you've experienced since you know this issue lo obhekana nayo. Maybe things that never used to happen before, and then now maybe you go and apply for jobs and then rejection and so many negative. What are the things that you've witnessed?
Yawona umsebenzi wona shambu ungipha inkinga for now because manje vele angisebenzi. And another thing my relationship angihlali isikhathi eside. Angihlali nje isikhathi eside kuma relationship. Uba khona nje lo muntu loyo ukuthi okay ngiyajabula 1 2 3 days nyana. Hayibo sometimes omunye azinyamalale nje. Asilwanga sithinanga nje unyamalele. Abuye sekabuya futhi like so khohliwe nokukhohlwa nangayi. Kwenzeka nje kanjalo.
Okay. Donna, you know what's my understanding now?
Okay.
Is you strike me as umuntu, you've got it figured out somehow.
Okay.
But kube nama situations whereby uyazi ukuthi this is beyond me sika. Ngiyazazi ukuthi my intellect can take me to certain heights in life, but yabona like is it a thorn in the flesh at the moment? The situation obhekane now. Is it a serious thorn? Like, oh, if I can get help ngizoba. Are you on that state now?
Yeah. Kona siza ngalidinga.
Hey, manje la usizeka khona manje hey abanye abantu basebafuna ezinye izinto.
Ileyo ke inkinga.
So have you tried mhlawumbe ukuthola usizo kubantu besifazane?
Okay, abesifazane ngaya kayi-2 kayi-3 kubo. But mangiya kuye umuntu okhona agcine seka angala mina. Yes, agcine seka angala thothi mhlambe bekathe hayi uze nani mase ufika. Hayi man, like akubalele nje into eningi. Hayi man, ishazi ukuthi ngisesenenkinga kani ngisafuna ukulungisela uzibani. Uyayibona nje like ngigcine nami sengiphela amandla ukuthi yazini angisayi. Ngcono ngihlale phansi. Yes.
Donna, have you given up?
Yeah.
You have given up.
Yeah.
Okay. So, kwenze ukuthi in the state of your mind whereby you say you've given up, do you foresee some probably future prospects? How do you see it? Is it gloom? Is it coming into light nyana? Even if you might have given up now, but when you foresee moving forward, because I need to not getting younger. We getting towards
yeah,
and we growing towards the grave.
Yebo.
So before we get to the grave,
Okay.
because whether we like it or not, that's where we're heading into.
Siyakhona vele.
So before we get to that, so when I'm out there, even though you're in the pit, you have given up, what do you see? Do you see yourself with or I believe there must be a solution.
Yeah, ngibona nje ikhona ilight. Yeah, ngiyayibona yena ilight ukuthi izoba khona.
Uyasola Ntwana?
Ngokwenza lokya? Angizazi.
Understandable.
Yeah. Ngasho kanjalo. Ngasho nje, yeah, angizazi.
Ntwana, okay, let's clarify this. Initially, when you started this, were you saying this jokingly mouth ufuna umuntu ngoba machita ngaraphathi you, or you like mfethu ngifuna umuntu onenyu obudama ngifuna umuntu engizoba grand naye makanenyu with a bonus? What was the frame of mind?
Mina like for me like because bengishilo kuya ngathi ngifuna ngizomvakashela ne girl. So like bengifuna umuntu wangaleyo weekend leyo. Ukuthi okay fine ngiyoba mnandi so groove kanti hayi kwagcina sekwenzeke enye into engingayazi.
So ngiyasithi ukuthanda izinto kahle deeply into the sense of the word, because khona abantu abathi ay mina sika mina ngiyazi ngizifakela khona not innocently so or ignorantly so. Then I was not intending for this. It so happened ukuthi ngiwele kunomgodi lo and it's dark.
Yeah.
So la at least bengiwela up to an anchor. So la ngena ngomzimba wonke.
Gona kahle ngiwelile shem. Kahle ngiwelile.
Don't you think mhlawumbe
Ngiyazibuza wena Lukheli ukuthi how handsome unaleso sipogo sakhona like
yeah.
yo
Ngiyakutshela. Okay like yo.
30 degrees.
Angazi ngizothini angazi shem ngizothini ngabe ka intombazana bengizothi indoni yamanzi. So indoda angazi ke kuthiwani ke endodeni enjalo. Yeah, intombazana angisho kushiwo njalo kuthiwa indoni. So yena angazi ke ukuthi ngizothini.
Maybe ngine picture yomlomo ekhanda lami Ntwana I think ngiyayibona leyo ukuthi ukhuluma nami angithi lihlo lami lebe is 4.
Yeah.
No angiboni but I can just imagine ukuthi like hehe kangaka ukuthi yazi Ntwana same time.
I'm telling you, kasi bangibona nje like ngachazeka kuye. Yeah, and phezolo like yena bekayishaya kakhulu udla ibhuti wakhe lo ongishiyile. So Hey,
to also
yeah, nangazi ngizothini yo, inkinga leyo.
No, Ntwana, you know what? Honestly, and when you say that, what in terms of the performance, it was even far better than. Then you then start to understand what no, because it's not a normal entity.
Yes.
Then it will make sense. What I know, it will go an extra mile because it's a spirit.
Yeah.
So after that, the dreams. Do you still see this thing? Ngizothi this thing because
Yeah, you think very.
angisumtshito uzuthi asika angivele ebusuku ngithi bro wami lalela la sidlala kanjalo. So Ntwana, how the dreams does this lo moya uphinde ubuye the image of this thing?
No, uGayi waye like bekana ukungibuyela understand. But ngibuye ngithi hayi man. Lento ayikho mos kuyafana. Lento le nganginayo ngalelo langa ayikho. Kwaba kuphela nje ngalelo langa lelo.
Can I ask you this?
Yeah.
Do you ever have thoughts of going back there, maybe uthi ngahlangana nale tsotsi or ngiyoshaya ijika ngara with an intention yokuthi ufuna ukuyobona
Kahle kahle ngimele ukuthi ngihlangane noGeli bese mhlambe ngiyibuzise ngoGayi so that ngizokhona vele lokho ukumbona. uGayi lo owangiletha lapha kule nto le ngimbuke kahle kamampela ukuthi kahle kahle mhlambe nami closure ngayithola.
No, Ntwana, what if uyaphindeka vye? Not in that sense ukuthi uphindeka in terms of ispana yoshaya. Chances it could be that usasana land ukuthi sika akekho ipiano ledlaliwe la akekho umuntu odlale ngale. Remember, let's have this thing in our mind.
Yeah.
That was not a living person.
Yeah.
So we end up being trapped in an image ukuthi doesn't. But it's so mind-boggling to affect ukuthi maybe I say this out of lack of so much information with the things of the spirit. Maybe ngathi umoya nje that takes a shape and a form of umuntu ophilayo. Uthola ukuthi angithi phela likhele kuyenzeka ukuthi abantu bayathwebula abaphilayo banqonywa amalimi babekwe endaweni ethi bese bayasetshenziswa. Those people bayaphila even in their real image. But because bayasetshenzwa ngithi so akhona ukukhuluma khona ukuba ubone kwenzeka and then end up doing those things. You know. So, but we try to find a solution ukuthi then mase so manje ngishaya ukuthi la ngifika khona I just get people kusho ukuthi you need umuntu o strong to a point ukuthi yazi even that spirit of sexual immorality asikho kuye at all mangena ubona ukuthi yazi la akudlalwa la purity at its highest form. Because to me what you are saying it then tells ukuthi nala sithola usizo khona bafethu ziningi Ntwana iintori ezinja webha mawafika la uthola hayi sipho ngaphuma sengibambe nga2 nyana nje ngingazi ukuthi kanjani ngithi ngiyofuna and ngixakeke kwempela you know, so you then start to question ukuthi kodwa bafethu ngempela hayi ungambheka Ntwana ungakhipha nezasi
La for
hayi for mina
isazazal cause ngiyathanda.
oh
Yo.
Bese ngisho hayi zazo ngalibeke phansi Ntwana siringe sikhulume kube grand.
Mina Ntwana masizaza ngifanga ngoba ngiyathanda isazazal because ngiyalithanda.
No, wena ushaya izaza ngoba uyazi ukuthi mawungalikhipha khona kumele no Ntwana ngithi manje amandla wafani khona uzothi mawuthi hello nesisizi yawo
Exactly vele. Yo uzobona nje ngiyakutshela.
Ntwana,
Yeah.
there's always a way out.
Yeah.
We pursue impilo and we learn. You see, to me, what gives me some sense of a peace, it was not your intention, ukuthi bofuna or we are uthanda izinto uthole the worst thing. You just wanted fun for that weekend and that's all and that's it.
Yeah.
You see, to me, that's a bit of innocence kuyona ngaphakathi ukuthi look, it just so happened ukuthi kwenzeke into so.
Yeah.
You know, and you never even pursued lo muntu umthole da ukuthi operate kulelo dlala.
Sure.
Bafethu lapha emakhaya isister lami nje kwala studio ne. So yeah, sibheka kanjani? Sibheka kanjani? Who do we say is at fault? Yilabo kumele bamsize bese sebabhaziseka or the sister Ramla at fault, or both the victim and the plaintiff? No, but into engiyazi ukuthi hayi ekugcineni lizozwakala sister lami shaya ijika lesitshela ukuthi ligrand. That much I can assure you. Hayi phela thina abanye abantu bafethe sinenye inkani enga-understandeki ukuthi hayi noba ngathi imfethu lo muntu ubulala abantu show yabakhipha at one day. At one time in life makumele iphume zonke izinto ziyaphuma ngesikhathi sakhe makasibekile for umuntu wakhe kuyalunga ekugcineni. Sithandwa sami khona umuntu yazi masiringazo millions of viewers are watching you. Khona umuntu ozothi yo ungaye a clue to make fast or quick cash. I think I need to pursue into yakhe engaba solution to inyuko. What do you say to abantu maybe angazothanda izinto or who might encounter similar umqwayisa kanjani before they get there? If you see that ukuthi yazi nsika, I can just say ukuthi masabantu, let us be content with what we have. Let us stop comparing ourselves with other people. What do you say, Don? What do you say?
Mina ngithi bangayenzi ngoba ukuphuma kwakhona akusilula. Angeke uzimanamana uphume ekubeni nasongenile. Angithi manje lento le uzobe sojwayeze ukuthi imali uyayithola. Uyayithola imali. Then na enye into ngeke usalicabanga usizo ukuthi okay fine. Ngidinga usizo ke manje ukuthi ngiphume la kulento le. Because manje into ekhona abantu bayafa. Thina futhi especially girls siyashona, siyafa bayasibulala yonke lento leyo. Uthi uyahamba ke ngaleso sikhathi leso uthola wrong ke. Akwenze busy.
The worst.
Yes.
Washing intombazane store nyothenga lapha ebush. Ithi phela mina nginenyuku ayikho into engisho nathi ufuna ukuthwala ngami. So this is what you're saying ukuthi ikhona lento abanye ngempela bababulale bathwale ngabo ngempela.
Yeah, ikhona.
Okay. Mr. Mikel, what do you say, sir? What are your thoughts?
Well, that's a trick one, but I think, like you said, the solution you got, you just have to seek it hard enough when it's motivated because from where I'm standing, it would be at this moment in point in your life, you do want solution, but you don't want it as hard. Because the thing would be sometimes you get attached or addicted to the ways into sense to the point whereby you don't need a solution to that thing. It's working for me at this stage and point in life. Because we don't think I hate with age. At some point, you get cooler and the solution needs to be there. So when you get to that point, then pursue the solution. When you truly, truly want the solution, then you will find it.
Voice kapute mina ngaja.
Why? All right. Khulumente in closing mfana?
Mina ngathi ngibuza abantu is it worth it? The hlupheka akuyo manje in terms of wanting to move forward and away from the topic. Yabo, because abanye njengoba usho ukuthi abanye bazofuna ukuyilandelela because babona ukhazikhazi la baqhamuka ukuthi ikhona.
Yes.
Mina my question is worth it? Is it worth it? That's the only thing. Yeah.
Oops.
We can run the experiment now. Go baby,
ngala ngabantu bami thuza. Grootman Rami, your thoughts? Okay. Stand us up. Yeah, no. Let's see what our viewers at home say. Ulayekile Sipho, yeah, Papa, thanda izinto. Please. We are too quick for that. Lapho simnandi kabi. And you know, one thing I understand, it's how women can hate each other so much. To your point, you are so quick. You guys are so quick to throw things at each other. You know, and not putting yourself into that situation with maybe, and then when you want to put Lumuntu into a sport, they even do worse than what Lumuntu ends in. So hence, when you start to change the narrative of the mind to say, look, please, it's not time for us to be judging other people, but siyawenza maphutha. So for the fact that you are here, Ntwana, is the acknowledgement of saying, Siga, and whereas I still say this to say it was not even the intention to say ngifuna amadoda anemali ngize lapho because ngifuna ukwenza so. It just so happened that you just wanted fun and you find yourself in a messy situation. So hence ngisho ukuthi lapho ke it is justifiable, and for you to get solution. In fact, the solution to your situation is just as far as from your mouth to your nose. Yeah. Because you've took the first step. If they would have sat comfortable into the situation and say, as long as ngingakafi, ngingakayitholi imoto indlu nana and angiyeki. But you came to that point in Ntwana, I say ngibonile, so I need to find a solution. Ntwana, there's always a way out. And the way out for you has come. Bafethu siyabonga lapha emakhaya. Please let us know what do you think about the story, Sister Lami. Do you think she is coming out? And what do you feel? What are you saying? Please stop judging other people. I'll always say this, ngizonda kabi. Leyo kujajana yona ngizonda ukufa. I can say this without even fearing anyone. Stop judging other people until you go through their situation. Bafethu Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show, Sipho Hadebe. Thanda umakhelwane wakho njengoba uzithanda nawe. We are out. Danke siyabonga. Audi.